In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp into your Wix website. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a business, adding a WhatsApp chat button can really enhance your user interaction by providing seamless, real-time communication with your visitors. We'll be exploring a straightforward approach, tapping into the Wix app market, as well as external widget services like Common Ninja to help you find the right tool for your needs. Let's start by navigating to the Wix app market. This is a treasure trove of features that you can add to your site to enhance its functionality and aesthetics. Once you're there, locate the search bar and type in WhatsApp chat button. This will pull up options that allow you to integrate WhatsApp easily. These app market options are particularly ideal if you're looking for a solution that's directly supported by Wix, ensuring smoother integration and compatibility. Alternatively, there are widget services like Common Ninja that offer robust WhatsApp chat widgets. These widgets are fantastic tools that not only integrate the WhatsApp feature onto your site, but also provide additional customization that can suit both your stylistic preferences and logistical needs. This could be an excellent route if you're looking for more than what the Wix app market offers. Customization is key when adding such features. You'll be glad to know that most of these widgets offer a range of customization options. You can adjust not just the look and feel, but also the position of the chat button on the web page. Consider where your chat button will be the most helpful to your visitors. A common placement is the bottom right corner of the page. This placement is accessible and visually appealing, minimizing distraction while remaining functional. Moreover, these widgets allow you to tailor the chat's open behavior to suit the nature of your communication. For example, you might choose to set the chat to automatically open during business hours for immediate customer service, or you might allow it to be user-triggered at any time. Providing a seamless user experience in this regard can greatly improve customer satisfaction. Finally, as you work on customizing and placing your chat button, always test it thoroughly. Make sure that once clicked, it directs visitors straight to your intended WhatsApp number or business account. It's essential to ensure that the conversation can start without any hiccups, maintaining a smooth and professional customer interaction. By following these steps, you'll make it a snap for your website visitors to get in touch with you via WhatsApp, thereby enhancing both the functionality of your site and the overall customer experience. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.